2 outs. And Adrian Gonzalez down at first. And Kevin Kuzminoff came into play tonight with a 6-game hitting streak. He needs to get a base knock here to extend it. He hits it a ton to right. Shear rolls back and he will make the catch.
What if this is on YouTube?
It was a great party. What do you think?
I think he's tired.
Think you had a good time?